Hello friends, आज আমি acid base and salt part 2 to পঢ়িম আমি part 2 so part 1 already আমি first period আমি discuss কৰিছো so এই ভিডিওত আমি mainly discuss কৰিম chemical properties so chemical properties so chemical properties is nothing but it is a chemical reaction only so we have to study the chemical reaction so this is the very important topic so first chemical reaction so target kolo chemical properties plus chemical reaction kolo so chemical reaction car so basically ami acid base or chemical reaction বিষয় study কৰিম so yata ami inside bracket likhi disu car বিষয় study কৰিম acid and base so acid base ore ami mainly ami discuss কৰিম okay so acid base or first chemical reaction to this reaction of acid and base with metals so metal or logot acid base or reaction hole kenoka dhorno hoy so duita ami partly discuss korim first for acid or karone ami loisu for acid so acid and metal or logot reaction korle kenoka dhorno hobo so for acid when acid react to it suppose ami eta reaction symbol dia explain korim when acid react with metal it gives salt and hydrogen gas normally formation hoy bubble hisabe so hydrogen gas will be formed so jodi ami yar example separately example suppose that acid lolo hydrochloric acid plus metal lolo zinc it will form zinc chloride eliminating with hydrogen gas so so first we have to make solution of hydrochloric acid so solution ami hydrochloric acid car shot banam so water logot mix koribo so water logot thakile normally ami yak aqueous bili represent kora hoy aqueous mane solution of hydrochloric acid in water so aqueous so metal always be solid okay so here is zinc chloride is the salt ki koisa amak salt or hydrogen gas formation hobo so this is salt okay so salt or state to normally horai so normally horai he solid state of thage so I have given a mistake I am doing a mistake here so this is solid okay so this is salt okay so this is for acid jodi ami base or karone lo for base jodi ami consider koro for base so base when react with metal it gives salt plus hydrogen gas again ami ki dekhilo yat duita reaction almost same but their one reactant will be different only jodi ami acid aru base change kori diu tetia hole ki hobo jodi duta akol acid aru base belek hoy metal and salt hydrogen gas rest of the compound will be same or substance will be same aru এই reaction tur pura ami eta kotha gom palu je acid e hok ba base e hok it may be acid or base when react with metal both are formed salt and hydrogen gas so yato ami eta example ami lobo paru for example take sodium hydroxide so here so it's not balanced okay we have to balance, we use 2 HCl, so it's balanced. So 2 chlorine atom, 2 chlorine atom, 2 hydrogen atom, 2 hydrogen atom, zinc 1, zinc 1, so it is balanced. Okay, so yat jeniki ami aqueous solution lolu, so base or aqueous solution lobo lagibo, so yat water mix ase boli ami consider korim. So next same metal we consider, zinc is solid, salt will be from one compound, that is Na2ZnO2. This is salt. This salt name is zinc chloride. It is name is sodium zincate. Sodium zincate. Okay, this is salt plus hydrogen gas. So what are not so hydrogen gas to many represent korisu. So it is not balanced, no. So 2 sodium atom, here 1 sodium atom, so you input here 2 2H2 2H2 2O2 2O, so it is balanced. So this is one reaction. So in both cases, by in both reaction, acid plus metal or a base plus metal, that means when acid react with metal or base when react with metal, both form hydrogen gas, both form hydrogen gas. So when the reaction is performed, during the reaction or when the reaction is performed, so at that time we can confirm that hydrogen gas is present at that time by doing some small chemical test, or is a normal process. So how can we test that the hydrogens are evolved during this reaction? It is mainly important. Hydrogen gas, okay, hydrogen gas released during during the reaction can be tested by bringing process to key, that is important, by bringing burning candle near gas bubbles near gas bubbles so ki hobo, that is very important process to ami ki korim, the burning candle dal bring kori ani orthat anim bolebo near gas bubbles. So gas bubbles ketia hobo, jetia ami ei enoka dhoroner mixer ba enoka hok mixer to ami koi dim, he jitu aqueous solution to bubbles formation hoi thibo, hebilakor sorole jodi ami edal burning candle loi jao, tetia hole gas bubble bilake ki korbo, it burst, orthat it created some sound, it burst with pop sound, small sound will be created, that is normally or this way normally confirmed that hydrogen gas is present in this reaction or released in this reaction. So this is one important reaction. Okay, this is the first reaction. So second reaction is reaction of metal carbonates, or metal hydrogen carbonates with acid or base. So this is the second reaction. So reaction of metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates with acid and base. Separately we discuss the just like first reaction. For acid, that means when acid react with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, what will be the product form? So we found that so we just write into form. So metal, so this is we write reaction A for this, okay, metal plus, oh sorry, this is not acid plus metal carbonate gives salt. They will form one salt, carbon dioxide gas along with water. So these three products will be formed when acid react with metal carbonate. Similarly, acid when react with metal hydrogen carbonate, then also form the same product, that is salt, carbon dioxide gas plus along with water will be formed. So that means when acid react with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, in both cases they form salt, carbon dioxide and water. So this is for acid. So if we see some example, so what is the example? So you take some example, we take some example. Okay, so there is some problem. This thing camera, okay, no problem. So example, so we take some example. Okay, so example, you take for example hydrochloric acid aqueous when react with metal carbonate. For example, one metal carbonate, sodium carbonate. So it will be also present in aqueous solution. Suppose we take mixing with water, they will form. First, this is acid, this is metal carbonate. What will be the form? What will be the product form? So first product will form a salt. So first, basically we know that first they always be forming in all cases carbon dioxide gas along with water. So so we already note when metal acid react with metal carbonate, they always be form carbon dioxide and water. So as we see, so so carbon dioxide and water will be formed when hydrochloric acid react with sodium carbonate. So then rest of thing are present, or rest of thing mixed to form a salt. So that salt will be sodium chloride. Okay, so now we have to do the balance. So 2 number of sodium, so that means 2 Cl. So we have to add 2 HCl. Okay, so 2 Na 2 Cl is okay. 1 carbon, 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. So it's a balance. This is one reaction for metal carbonate. So again take we another example. This is for example 1. So we take example number 2. So 2 will be when hydrochloric acid aqueous form react with sodium hydrogen carbonate in aqueous form, they will again form a salt. The same salt will be formed sodium chloride plus carbon dioxide gas plus water liquid. So you have to do the balance. It's okay, it's already balanced. Okay, so thus the reaction will perform normally. So we know that from this reaction, that's when acid react with metal or carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, they will form this type of reaction or they will form this product. So we see that when acid react with metal carbonate or when acid react with metal hydrogen carbonate, in both cases it forms carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide formation can also be tested or also be confirmed by doing some chemical reaction. So that means we have to confirm that carbon dioxide is released or not released, because it gas we cannot see. Okay, so that is why we have to do some small chemical test. That is, so sometimes ask in your exam, so how can we confirm that carbon dioxide is released in this reaction or not really? Okay, so normally what happen normally, so you give a star mark here. Okay, normally carbon dioxide can be tasted by passing it through lime water. So lime water, if we pass carbon dioxide through lime water, then they will form some they will do some chemical changes, and that confirms carbon dioxide is present or not is present. That will confirm. So normally lime water is represent calcium hydroxide at aqueous present. This is called lime water. Through lime water, when carbon dioxide is passes, they will form a compound that is called calcium carbonate plus water. So normally this compound forms, and this mixture gives white color or white color. This mixture, that calcium carbonate and water together gives white color. That means lime water, turns, so lime water যেটো কালাৰ থাকিব এটো কি হলে কোন টাৰ্নস মিল্কি, অৰ্থাৎ ই কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ হৈ যাব, হোৱাইট কালাৰ টাইপৰ হৈ গুচি যাব. So that is very important point normally. So how can we confirm that this compound will be formed? So this compound and this together gives white color or milky appearance. Okay, so this milky behavior is formed during the reaction with carbon dioxide and lime water. So when lime water reaction with carbon dioxide, they will form this mixture. So if carbon dioxide is not present, lime water cannot form these compounds. So that is why carbon dioxide is present, it will present is confirmed. So next, another point, when excess carbon dioxide is passed, if we used excess carbon dioxide, then what will be formed? The calcium carbonate water. This is normally we found from milky color. This milky behavior we found, milky behavior. When again this solution contains more carbon dioxide, that means this solution, this white mixture, when again react with carbon dioxide, more carbon dioxide present, then again react with carbon dioxide, then it will turns another compound, that is calcium hydrogen carbonate. Further reaction they will form this. So this form calcium hydrogen carbonate. So this is a whole two calcium hydrogen carbonate will be formed. This is when this compound will be formed, the milky behavior or milky colors is disappear. So that also confirm that carbon dioxide is present. So sometimes when the excess carbon dioxide is passed through the lime water, then what will be the product form? So then when excess carbon dioxide is passed, so first when carbon dioxide react with calcium hydroxide, then it will form a mixture of this, and this is white color, and due to presence of excess amount of carbon dioxide, this reaction is performed, and which again disappear as milkiness behavior, that is milkiness disappear. Okay. So this is, or these reactions are performed by acid when react with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate. So for base, so now we have to go to for bases. Normally base does not react with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, because metal hydrogen carbonate or metal carbonate already metals are present, so bases also contain metals, so base normally does not react with the metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates. So normally we have found that base, it may be metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate does not perform reaction, that means no reaction, So you see, base metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate does not doing reaction or does not perform reaction, therefore no reaction will be occur. Okay, so this is sometimes asked as a strategic question. Why? Because in examiner, so who give the question paper, so যিবিলাকে question দিব সেইবিলাকে কি কৰে, নৰ্মালি এটা বেছৰ লগত মেটেল কাৰ্বনেট বা মেটেল হাইড্ৰোজেন কাৰ্বনেট দি দিব, তাৰপৰা সুধিব যে কি প্ৰডাক্ট ফৰ্মেশ্যন হ'ব। সো এইটোৱে কেতিয়াবা কনফিউজ কৰে, গতিকে সদায় মনত ৰাখিবা যে বেছ নেভাৰ ৰিয়েক্ট উইথ মেটেল কাৰ্বনেট অৰ মেটেল হাইড্ৰোজেন কাৰ্বনেট। Okay, so this is the second reaction, so we have to go the next reaction. So next reaction will be so reaction number third. So you have to go the reaction number third. So third reaction is very simple or very important. Reaction of acid and base with each other, so that means reaction of acid and base with each other. So that means what? So acid and base or মাজত reaction হলে কি হ'ব? So acid এ বেলেগৰ লগত reaction হলে কি হয় আমি পঢ়ি আছো. So acid এ base ৰ লগত reaction কৰিলে কি হ'ব? Normally acid when react with base it will form salt plus water. It will form salt plus water. So that is in this reaction acidic behavior and basic behavior are controlled. That means they are neutralized. So therefore this reaction also known as neutralization reaction. That is reaction of acid with base. Reaction of acid with base is called as neutralization reaction. Why? Because acidic behavior and basic behavior are neutral. Then that means when acid and base are reacted, so they form some definite product. That product never behave as acidic or basic because they are neutral. So that means there is no acidic and basic behavior found. That is why it is called neutralization reaction. So normally আমি যেতিয়া বডিৰ ভিতৰত গ্যাস ফৰ্মেশন হয় এই গ্যাস ফৰ্মেশন নিউট্ৰেলাইজ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আমি এটা তাতকৈ এসিড ফৰ্মেশন হৈ যায় সো এসিডটো নিউট্ৰেল কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আমি বেস দি দিওঁ সো ই ষ্টেবিলাইজ কৰি দিয়ে সো নৰ্মালি গ্যাস ষ্টেবিলাইজ আৰ বেস ওকে সো ফৰ এক্সাম্পল আমি এটা এক্সাম্পল লৈ ল'ব পাৰোঁ ইয়াতে হাইড্ৰক্লোৰিক এসিড লৈছিলোঁ আৰু এটা বেস আমি কনসিডাৰ কৰি আছোঁ sodium hydroxide. They will form NaCl is a salt plus water. So this is one reaction. But there are some condition ase. So acid or base যেতিয়া reaction হ'ব so sometimes কি হ'ব salt তোৰ behavior কেতিয়াবা আমি কি হ'ব পাৰে যেতিয়া আমি neutral বুলি ক'লো কিন্তু যদি আমি এসিডৰ concentration আমি concentrated acid dilute acid বা concentrated base diluted base আমি পাই আহিলো সো concentrated acid বা concentrated base বা আমি এনেকৈ ক'ব পাৰো বা strong acid বা strong base weak acid বা weak base সো আমি যেতিয়াই acid বা baseৰ মানে strength ওপৰত base কৰি আমি reaction perform কৰিম তেতিয়া কি হ'ব sometimes salt behave as a acidic or basic behavior so that is very important so that means so it is an important point hisabe ami tak calculate koribo paru so if suppose number 1 consider korisu ami strong acid jodi ami agor reaction eto jodi strong acid ba weak base ba strong base lom kenoka dhorno hobo tak dekhaisu jodi if we take acid will be strong acid react with weak base so weak base eta logot reaction hole ki react product formation hobo they will form acidic salt the salt will be acidic salt formation hobo so side product would always be water okay so this will be formula when strong acid and weak base are considered second condition to jodi ami long weak acid plus jodi ami reverse kori jo strong base consider koru তেতিয়া লাগে যেটো বস্তু স্ট্রেংথ বেশি থাকে হে সলৰ বিহেভিয়াৰটো হেনকা হয় সো ইয়াত কি হ'ব বেসিক সল প্লাস ওয়াটার সো নাম্বার থার্ড কন্ডিশনে যদি লও আমি বোথ কেসতে যদি আমি স্ট্রং কনসিডার করি স্ট্রং অ্যাসিড স্ট্রং বেস they will form neutral salt plus water weak base weak acid again neutral all plus water so strong holo neutral hobo, weak holo ki hobo neutral sol hobo. So that is very important. Okay, so strong acid, strong base, then again neutral sol, weak base or weak acid, again neutral sol. So but so fourth reaction will be reaction of metallic oxide with acids. So normally metallic oxides are basic in nature. So for example, calcium oxide and magnesium oxide, these are two examples of metallic oxide. These are normally behave as a metallic oxide, and this behavior will be basic in nature. So thus when metallic oxide react with acid, then they will form salt plus water. That means metallic oxide never react with base. So that is why metallic oxide react with acid. That means metallic oxide just like a base, because we already know that metallic oxides are basic in nature. So that means it behave as a base. So the base always react with acid. So acid logote reaction hobo. So for example, ami example jodi consider koro, eto ami boxer bhitor banai thoi dibo paru. Important, that is the thing. So jodi ami example consider koro, calcium oxide plus hydrochloric acid, already I balance it. Calcium chloride, water. So this is the reaction. So last reaction will be fifth reaction. That fifth reaction will be opposite reaction of this reaction. Reaction of non-metallic oxide. Non-metallic oxide with, so in the above reaction we found that metallic oxide react with acid, so non-metallic oxide should be react with base. Okay, so very important term. So again, non-metallic oxide are acidic in nature. So therefore, for example, ami lobo paru carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, these are the non-metal oxide. So we have so we know that non-metallic oxide okay, when react with a base, it will form salt. That means it is these 4 and 5 reactions are evolved from the acid base reaction, salt plus water. So when acid base react with each other, then also form salt and water. So this is also same, but their oxides are used as acid or base. So for example, simple example we consider carbon dioxide when react with calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is a base, so it will form calcium carbonate plus water. So these are the reactions of acid bases. So thank you. So the third part of the acid base chapter will be uploaded soon. So acid base আজি আমি কি পঢ়িলো ৰিঅ্যাকচনৰ বিষয়ে. সো ৰিঅ্যাকচনৰ বিষয়ে ষ্টাডি কৰিলো. সো কেমিক্যাল প্ৰপাৰ্টিজ আছিলে. সো আমি 5টা ৰিঅ্যাকচন পালো. ইটস ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট. থ্যাংক ইউ.